let's move on to the some actually modify commands, you can say. Okay, let me draw a rectangle first. This is a rectangle. Let me draw a very small circle here. Okay, now I will explain copy command. You can see the copy command from the ribbon bar as well, and also you can access from the command line, that is copy. The shortcut key for copy is CO. The shortcut key for copy is CO. Enter. Okay, so select copy, enter. Now it is asking specify base point. Specify base point. Which is the base point? Base point means it is the point from where the this circle is being copied, or you can say you are going to pick up, pick up those that particular circle. So let me take the base point as this center of the circle, which will be very convenient. So left click. So now you can see this circle can be copied either in the horizontal or in the vertical direction. So which I don't want, because why it is happening? Because the ortho is on. So press the F8 button, or you can either access from here as well. Ortho on, ortho off. Okay. Now I want to copy the circle at this end point. So it is copied and the copy command is terminated. So what I did, copy. Okay. Suppose if I press enter again, the copy command will activate because copy was the last command. Now select copy. Select object actually. So this is the object which I want to copy. Then again enter. Now it is asking specify base point. Base point. So this is the base point. So left click here, because for the circle, center of the circle is more convenient for the base point from where you want to pick. So from the center of the circle, I want to pick this circle. Now second point means where you want to place this copied circle here. But you can see one problem is happening. Once I place this circle, the copy command is getting terminated, which I don't want. I want to copy this circle multiple times. So go to copy again, CO enter, or you can directly press enter because copy was my last command. Copy, select object, enter, base point. This is the base point. Okay, center of the circle. Actually, this circle is in the end point. So center of the circle and the corner of that rectangle is coinciding. That's why it is showing end point. Now, place it here. I hope you understood this. But again, I don't want like this. I want to copy multiple times. So go to copy again. Select the object which you want to copy. I want to copy this circle and enter. Can you see mode option is there? I will explain the displacement, but here you can see the mode option is there. Go to mode. As of now, the single is activated. That's why once I copy that circle one times only, the copy command got terminated. But if I select multiple, now the mode is multiple. Now it is asking specify base point, means before specifying the base point, I converted that mode into multiple before specifying the base point. Now I will specify base point. This is the base point. Center of the circle is the base point. Left click. Now second point where you want to place, I want to place here. Now see here. the copy command is not getting terminated because I used mode of multiple, right? Now copy here, left click here, it will be copied like this. So this is how multiple copies of a single entity can be done. Okay, now CO enter, or rather I will undo this. I will erase all this. CO copy, select object, enter. Now you can see specify base point already I have explained. Now you can see here displacement option is there. One more option is there, displacement. Go to displacement, that is left click. Now can you see that? Can you see one thing? See, if I put my crosshair, to the origin, then the original circle and the copied circle will be coinciding. The original circle and the copied circle will be coinciding. Once I move my crosshair away from origin, this is the origin, right? This is the x and y axis, and this is the origin here. Somewhere here, the origin will be here. If I move this, see, as the distance between the origin and the crosshair is increasing, the distance between the original circle and the copied circle is also increasing with angle. Suppose if I place my crosshair on the x-axis, the circle will be copied along the x-axis with respect to the original circle. Okay, with respect to the original circle, like this. See here. See here. Now I am placing my crosshair in the y-axis. That's why the copied circle is along the vertical direction. The copied circle is along the vertical direction. Okay, exactly. I hope this is very much clear. See, vertical direction. This is the horizontal direction. This is the vertical direction. This is the horizontal direction. And the distance is specified with respect to, means you can say that the distance between the origin and the crosshair, let us say the distance between the origin and the crosshair is L, then the distance between the original circle and the copied circle will also be L. And let's say this angle is theta with respect to horizontal, the angle, then that angle will also be theta. If you connect, let us say I have pressed here, I have left click here, that's why this circle is placed here. Means this is L, understood? The distance between the two center is L, and the angle of this line will be equals to theta with respect to horizontal, which I mentioned here. I hope this is clear. This is very simple. Okay, let me explain again. Copy, CO, select object. You have to select object which you want to copy. Then you have to press enter. Then go to displacement. Okay, now see here. See, suppose if I select this, let me use ortho. If I use ortho, I can only copy along x direction or in the y direction because ortho is on. Okay, so the distance between origin and the crosshair is 246. It is showing near the crosshair. The same distance will be here. See, go to parametric, linear, from here to here. It is 246. See, 246.11. I hope you got my point. Even if you take from here to here, it is 246 again. Okay, I hope you got the copy command. So you can use this copy command in lots of ways. I will explain where to use. One more option is there inside the copy command. Go to copy, enter. select object, enter, select base point. Let me select this as my base point. Now you can see specify second point or array. Let me go to array. It is asking number of items to array. Array means multiple copies. In each time, multiple copies can be done. Suppose I want 6 items. To press 6, enter. So see here, you can see total we have 6 items. In total, including the base diagram. Okay, base rectangle. So we have total 6. Now where the second point you want? Second point, let me take here. Okay, you can see near the cross here the distance is as of now 218.215, that is 218.215. Ortho is on. Okay, let me give it as 220, enter. Then you will see that you have got multiple rectangle in one shot. This is the application of array. You can do this in the now the copy command is not yet terminated because mode is multiple. Okay, now suppose you want to use again array. So go to array here. Number of items, let's say 5 or 4. Let me choose 4. Now see here. 4, enter. One second. Yes, see here. Why the 4 was not getting activated? I will tell you, don't worry. Because see here. So it is in the horizontal, it is in the vertical. So enter. Now you can see this is how it is done. Let me come out of it. So I hope this copy command is done. Now go to copy command again, select object, enter. Okay. Let me select the base point. This is the base point. Go to array. Number of items, 4. Now it is showing 4. Okay. Now, if you go to array again, now if I give 6, now it is taking. There was some problem in that, I don't know, but here it is. So it will be done. Okay. In the horizontal also, in the vertical also, you can give because ortho is on. That's why the number of rectangles which are getting added in the horizontal or in the vertical. If the ortho is off, F8, then in any direction you can add. Okay, so ortho is off. Let me give the distance as 120. So this is how it is done. Yes, enter. So this is how copy is done. I hope this is very much clear. So inside that copy, we have array command as well. Okay, that array means multiple copies can be done. Okay, yes. And also we got to know about single, multiple copies. If single is selected, single mode is selected, then after copying once, you will be terminated. Copy will be terminated. Okay, yes. You can see here as well. See, CO copy, select object, enter. Okay, let's say this is the base point, or you can choose this as base point. It totally depends upon you. I will choose this as my base point. Now I'll go to array. Array is 6. Okay, yes, like this. Let me go to copy again, select object, enter. Let me go to mode, single. Okay, select the base point, select array, number of items 4, Number of items to array 4. Now see, once I do copy, I came out of the copy command because the mode was single, right? Let me erase this. Go to copy again, select object, enter, select base point. Now go to array again. Number of items, let me take 4, enter. Now we have another option, fit. Go to fit. Now fit is nothing but, in the previous case you might have seen this crosshair was with the second rectangle, but now the crosshair is at the last rectangle from the base point. Now if I have chosen fit inside the array, that means it is asking me to specify the distance between the base point which I have chosen and the last rectangle. Okay, let me give it as 800 distance because ortho is on. Directly give 800, enter. So you can see, if I measure from here to here, it will be 800. You can see it is 800. So that's all about the fit. Fit means from here to here, the distance you need to specify. And in the normal array, from this to this rectangle, that is from first to second rectangle, the distance needs to be specified. So this is all about copy.